look, a cute little puppy. Ew, okay, not so cute. It's the Ugglys Gross Electronic Pup-Pet, and we're adopting it. Woohoo! Look, we even get an adoption certificate, and we're going to call him Sir Smelly. Let's look after him. Well, that's rude. What you doing, Sir Smelly? Oh my gosh, you're a gross little puppy. Wow, the smells that come out of this pup. Boy, hoo-wee. You're a stinky dog. Hey, wait. Where are you going? Wait. Oh, gross. You're meant to do that outside. Excuse me, folks. Got to be a responsible owner. Oh, not again. Wait, what? Oh, do you want a toy? Oh, does puppy want a toy? Will we see if we can find a toy inside this Kinder Egg you pooped out? A poopy Kinder Egg. Oh, Sir Smelly, I didn't know you could poop Kinder Eggs. Oh no, don't eat all the Kinder Egg, leave some for me. Oh, you're so stinky. Come on, let's go walkies. Ooh, what have you found? Ew, don't eat that. Hey, leave the seagulls alone. Oh, twist his collar and make him sound funny. Listen to this. You stinky little puppy. Ew, don't lick your eyeball. You are just disgusting. You are not a normal puppy. This is a stinky one. You gross little dog. Wow, you are a handful, Sir Smelly. I hope you guys get on better with your puppies at home. Bye! Hey, I'm Jem.
And I'm Rachel Rach.
Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderworld TV
to enjoy 2 new videos every day.
Can't wait to see you there.
Bye!